told on your daddy. Look at my finger, no perfect, yes. Hit her like a phone star, I can hit it. She can tell my song, that's the difference. Put it down in the toss.
What is good, YouTube? We are back with another night POV. You know what I'm saying? This time we're at the Design District parking right now. We're gonna head out, go through the city a little bit, give you guys another POV. But yeah, this is a good little parking area. They got like blue and red lights. Like, it looks kind of cool. You know what I'm saying? So came here chilling. But yeah, right now we're in the Miami Design District, basically in Midtown. So we're gonna go around the city, do a couple pulls, maybe smoke a little joint, give you guys a good little POV, maybe a little bit of commentary, but more or less just car audio, you know, show off the B58 sound. Yeah, let's get straight into it. We're gonna do first level of traction off because it is wet right now, so we don't want to be, you know, slipping. We don't want to be not gonna take it all the way off because I'm already knowing this shit's gonna spin like a motherfucker. We might end up hitting the guardrail, so we're not doing none of that. I hope you guys been good though. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get straight into it, man. Dude, the lip here is dangerous, dude. Look at this shit. Oh my god. This is literally all you see around here. There's a hella Uruses, hella C8s. Here and there you'll see like an actual, like, really nice supercar. Like a fucking, you'll see like a GT3 RS here and there, maybe sometimes. Not really. But there are a couple. You see more Uruses and C8s more than anything, honestly. The Lambos are there, Ferraris are there, always gonna be here too. There goes another Porsche right there. Nice little soccer field here for the boys. That's nice, dog. As you can see, there's still people walking around like all the time. Like, dude, it's literally a Wednesday. I'm filming this on a Wednesday, right? And there's still people outside I might pass by the art district again and then check, and then, you know, so you guys can check that out. But dude, look, like there's still people outside, people still like going to like clubs, like stuff like that. Especially like here in Wynwood, in like the Wynwood area. This Brayman BMW right here, basically the BMW of Miami, basically. What do you guys think though? Should I leave the burbles on or should I take them off? That's the real question. Look what I'm saying. Another Urus right here. Hey, don't get me wrong, the Uruses are nice, but they're just an up-priced Audi, to be honest. Nah, the burble's echoing through the street, go crazy, but the Miami Heat arena is literally right there. That's where the Heat play, and you know, sometimes celebrities and stuff. But yeah, we're literally in Midtown right now, basically. If we go, I don't want to go downtown because downtown traffic is even worse than this shit. But I'll probably go downtown again one of these days. Downtown is literally straight that way. But dude, the fucking traffic over there is crazy at any given point. Like Monday right now, I mean Wednesday right now, like it'll be whatever. Like it won't be too bad. But am I gonna risk getting stuck in traffic? Fuck that. I'll just go another day, you know what I'm saying? Today we're showing off Midtown early. Which looks like downtown, low key. I don't want to cause too much disturbance here. There's fucking cops everywhere. Like, yeah, that guy literally like low-key looked back, he was like, yo, what the fuck is coming? It's a little edge market right here. A couple high rises, nice high rises around here too. There's a shit. The one thing about Midtown too is that it's full of smoke shops everywhere, man. That intake, bro. And then when I get it up to high RPMs on a 4th gear, dude, it gives that stu-tu-tu sound, and it sounds amazing, bro. I gotta see if I could get that on video. M340i right there? Was it an M340i? I'm pretty sure he didn't want no smoke. Yo, this V6 Challenger is a damn shitter. And nigga wants to, he motherfucker wants to have fun, bro. shit sounds like ass, bro. Dude, it's crazy how bad that shit actually sounds like, though. Mierda. When I hit it on 4th gear and I give it a little bit of fucking, give it time to build boost. Shit sounds amazing, bro. I don't know if it's picking it up. I need to get a fucking, dude, I'll have to get an exhaust mic. I have to get an exhaust mic and an intake mic. Bro, off the rip. Dude, it's gonna be, the audio is gonna be crazy. His girl was in the car. Yo, his girl was in the car, I swear. They both looked at me. They're like, yo, who is this random ass guy with this camera on his head, bro?